In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make video with pictures and music on Instagram. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? First of all, I will point out that this process works on any device, okay? In my case, I'm using Android, but it's the same process on iPhone too. The first thing you need to do is log on Instagram and log into your account. After doing that, you swipe to the right and come to this page. Here you can upload a photo or a video to put on the background, okay? In my case, I will put a black screen just for example. Then you will see 4 options. At the top right corner, you need to click on the second option. Then you need to find this option right here, okay? In my case, it is here, but in your case, may be different. So click on this option and select the photo that you want to put, okay? Select the picture. I will put this tree right here. So select the photo, okay? You can drag to the local that you want to put and do this more times. Okay, after putting the pictures, you can redirect to the local that you want, okay? After doing that, you can add the music, so click on the second option and come to music. Then you need to search for the music that you want to use, okay? I will use this one just for example. Okay, click on top. And here you can select if you want just the music, if you want to put the music on your stories, if you want to put the lyrics, and so on. Okay, in my case, I will put music only and click on done right here. Then you can edit more your story or just post to your Instagram, okay? I hope I help you on how to make video with pictures and music on Instagram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.